guys, I am Karuna and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And how do you like my new setup in my room? Let me know in the comment box if you like it. Today I'm going to tell a brief story about myself. You guys know that I am extremely stylish and I always want to look my best. And I want to stand out in the crowd. In that quest, I figured out certain type of garments that look me the best. And they are like high-waisted leggings or skinny fit jeans or tight short dresses. So I would always wear them. But of late, I started feeling that comfort is as important as style because every time I would open my wardrobe, my hand would reach out to palazzo pants. Palazzo pants are wide legged, airy trousers which are extremely comfortable no matter what fabric they are made of. So I always wanted to wear the palazzo. So here I am for you guys with 15 stylish looks in Western and Indian style which you can flaunt on different occasions wearing palazzo pants. So let's dive into the video. For the first look, I have styled my black palazzo in rayon fabric with a chiffon high-low party wear top from Global Desi. I bought this palazzo from West Side 3 years ago. Earlier, I always styled this stylish top with blue denims or jeggings, but it looks better with palazzo. I completed this party wear look with statement earrings and nude heels. For the next look, I've styled the same palazzo with a shirt kurti with a slit. This Indo-Western long kurti is quite uncommon from brand Nush by Anushka Sharma. Again, this shirt kurti looks better with palazzo compared to pants. I have styled it with golden statement earrings and black sling bag. This look is perfect for office or coffee date. For the next look, I have styled the same yellow long shirt with a cream colored pant and an ethnic jacket. Now this ethnic jacket to the office will be your statement look. So you can try that. For the next look, I have styled my cream colored palazzo with a length front slit kurta. I complete the look with a robe belt. I think robe belt is a must in Indian wardrobe as it adds an element to every look. The cream palazzo is from Fab India and is extremely comfortable. The top is from Naksh Jaipur. For the next look, I have styled black palazzo with an A-line button-down kurta in silk fabric and with small ruby meenakari earrings. The blue kurta is in fine silk fabric and it with any kind of bottom wear. I have completed the look with nude pumps. The next look is an innovative one. I have styled my black palazzos with my mother's old embellished sari blouse and a long asymmetrical shrug. Because of the embroidery and ethnic print, it is ideal for a daytime function. Combination of wine color and red orange is an analogous one and it is quite an attractive and festive combination, guys. In future, I'll be doing one video on color combinations too. So do subscribe to my channel. Well, honestly, I don't like this look because my grey hair are visible, but in lockdown, I was just not in mood to color my hair, guys. Next look is a very basic yet very stylish. Here I am styling my black palazzo pant with a straight fit kurta and I am styling it with German silver jewelry, which is a must for this outfit as it jazzes up the whole outfit and adds your element to it. The next few are Western palazzo looks. For the first look, I have styled white crop top with high-waisted palazzo pants in crisp polyester fabric. Usually, I avoid wearing crop tops as I'm conscious about my tummy area, but since it is high-waisted palazzo with an awesome fit, it conceals tummy variations. This look is perfect for evening dinner at family or in office. For the next Western look, I have styled same palazzo pant with a shirt, animal printed. It is perfect for office, especially for meetings and presentation. I have completed the look with golden layered necklace inside the shirt. I have not got similar palazzo in Indian stores or other online stores. So if you want to get similar ones stitched, kindly let me know. I will make a separate video showing the fit and the stitch of this palazzo. For the next look, I have styled the same palazzo with a razorback tee. Plazo is loose and tee is tight, so they pair extremely well with each other. I'm wearing a grey layered neck piece to create a focal point. Style it with casual sandals for that easy breezy look. Guys, if you have an ideal body shape, you can try these Western Plazo looks with fine fabric rayon plazos too. Look will surprise you. On the tee, I wore a white blazer and it became a perfect formal attire. I styled it with thin golden layered necklace. The blazer is from brand Mango and I bought it online on Myntra. I've shared the link in the description box. You can also style plazo pants with a bodysuit. This one is with spaghetti stripes and in electric blue color. I completed the look with black pumps and a structured bag. The look is perfect for your date night. Hey guys, what do you think about this look? It will shock you. I have worn a bodycon dress inside a plazo. I bought this bodycon dress from a boutique near my house. It was an spontaneous decision and I thank my stars for it, as I can also wear it as a blouse with a sari. Metallic top with halter neck and wide-legged plazo. Elegance with beauty. For the next look, I have styled tight-fitting statement top with a plazo. The point here is plazo can be worn by women of all body types. You can style a good-fitting plazo with any regular top and feel comfortable at work. Hey, I'm delighted that I could wear my mustard statement pumps in this shoot. These were my 15 different looks in Indian and Western wear. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about my videos. Bye bye, stay safe, stay happy, take care.